Konnichiwa minasan, jana havito moshimasu, dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. I'm here to teach you N5 kanji techniques, how to remember N5 kanjis. So there are various techniques, but I would like to share the technique which I liked and it was easy for me to remember all the kanjis. Now in kanji there is onyomi and kunyomi, as you must be aware of onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is the Chinese sound and kunyomi is the main Japanese sound. So I'm not going in detail with this. Rather, my technique is to relate kanjis and remember as much more kanjis as you can. So let's start. I'm going to teach you the first basic kanji of my session which you all learned, which is hito. This kanji, hito. You must be aware of this kanji very well. This kanji indicates person. Now with this kanji we are going to remember more kanjis, which is going to be very easy for you to memorize the other kanjis along with this kanji. So I draw this kanji again, hito. Okay. Now I draw a single line over here. When I draw a line over here, this kanji indicates big in size, huge, which is oki. Easy? Now I'll take this kanji further. I'll draw again hito. I'll draw one line here, one more line here. Now this kanji is related to weather, climate. Yes, you guessed right. It's ten. Tenki. Isn't it easy? And the last kanji of the session, which is hito, and this here, this becomes fire. It's he or kaji. It's also having a reading of he, but right now we are taking it as fire, which is kaji. Isn't it easy? With one kanjis we learnt 4 kanjis: hito, oki, tenki and kaji. Fire, person, big. This is weather and fire. So how was it? Easy to learn? Yes, I am coming up with more few combinations in my other sections. For this, if you feel it easy to remember, please stay tuned with me. Bye bye.